What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Beehiiv newsletter creation platform and its different features. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to their website, that's beehiiv.com. Make sure to write it right, that's beehiiv.com, not like beehive with the bees and like the honey and stuff like that. And now once you are on the right website or on the right homepage, they give you like a quick overview of what they can achieve for you. Now here they can allow you to create newsletters and customize each element of the newsletters, from the font, the colors, the style, and so on, and publish it, as well as gather subscribers and grow your business even more. Now here you can click on features to have a look at their different features. So if you click on features right here, you can create newsletters and you can view them on the website or on the phone, on the inbox of the subscribers. You can publish them at any time and use them to grow your business even more, and create subscribe forms, and as well as harness the power of AI to help you create your newsletters. Now here, of course, this service is not free. However, it's worth it if you are trying to grow your business. Let's go and look at the pricing here really quickly. Now here you have three plans: the launch and the grow and the scale plan, which is the best value. And note that these prices are for the yearly payment. You can switch to monthly. Of course, you'll pay higher. Now the first plan, which is the launch plan, the free plan, sets you up with up to 2,500 subscribers. And then the grow plan up to 10,000 and up to 100,000 on the scale plan, as well as other features. Now here you can go ahead and start with 30 days free trial with any of the plans right here. And you can click here to start the trial, or click here to start trial. So let's go ahead and start trial. Of course, you can log in if you already have an account. And now here you can have a look at more info for the ad network and which businesses, or what is Beehiiv created for, or what types of businesses will benefit from Beehiiv, as well as resources and company information. Now let's go to the account creation tab right here. And here you should enter your name, your email, and create a password. And if you want to receive updates or not, I'll just uncheck that. And then I'll fill in all my information and click on get started to continue the setup process. Okay, and now the account is created. However, it asks me to confirm my email address. So check up your inbox for the verification email to finish setting up your account. Okay, and once I've verified my email, I clicked on the link in the email that is sent to me. I'll be redirected to finish the registration. Here I'll get through a simple form here to help me customize my experience. Now let's say I am starting a newsletter, or I am curious, or I'm unsure but interested, I'm a beginner, or I'm experienced. I have an existing newsletter and I'm looking to for more features. So let's say I'm curious, continue. And here how it'll look like, or how it'll be named. The newsletter name is John's Newsletter. The subdomain name, which is generated for me, I can change it, of course. However, it'll still be .beehiiv.com, and I can add tags if I want to. Now this is the image or the logo for my business. Let's click on it to upload, or add a new image. Now let's add this logo that I created for an earlier project. And I can even delete the image if I uploaded it. Now let's continue. Okay, at least one tag. Let's say I am in the clothing. So type in fashion. Okay. Now continue. Okay, now let's start the free trial. And here I'm redirected to my main dashboard. Now here you have the overview. Of course, I have 0 active subscribers, 0 open rate, 0 click rate since I just created this account. I can add subscribers list right here. I can import list if I already have a newsletter from a different provider or a different platform. I can import my subscribers here. Click on import, and I can start to import my subscribers here through a CSV file or stuff like that. Now let's go back. Now, this is the Beehiiv impact, which like compares the subscription rates through Beehiiv versus other growth networks. Of course, I don't have any right now. And here I have the steps remaining to set up my account. So start the guided tip tutorial, customize your website, your theme, and your subscribers, and so on. And here you can continue to add new subscribers. If I go here to the audience, I can view my subscribers and how they grow and some statistics and the subscribed and unsubscribed. I can view the engagement to my content, and I can view the monetization if I have like ads or run ads and want to monetize them. Now here I have the notification. I don't have any notification. Now I can go ahead and write. I can write posts. I can view write content tags and automations, which is driven by AI. So if I click here on post, or alternatively, I can click here on start writing now directly from my dashboard. In the area here, I can start a blank draft or choose a template. So choosing a template, of course, is much easier. Now here, let's click on new template. I can here edit the name and create the content and save the template right from within my dashboard. Now in the right here, I can go to posts and I can start writing a post here. The content tags as well, I can create content tags. And now the automations, which is driven by AI, I can build or create new automations. Now in the Grow tab, I have referral program, which is also driven by AI. So if I click on it, I can view the subscribers with referrals. I can view the fulfillment rate, and I can also configure the settings for the milestones and rewards. I can also export my data and view the settings. Now here I have the recommendations, also the magic links. So if I click on magic links, I can get these links right here, my custom link and I can copy it here. Now this link, I can use it for the people to subscribe to my newsletter like directly. Here I have monetization. If I want to set it up, I can manage ads, subscriptions, I can view the partner program, and I can also boost my engagement. Here is the audience. I can view the subscribers. If I click on subscribers, all-time subscribers, and I can also import subscribers. I don't have any since this is a newly created account. And here I can also have segments, polls, subscriber data, surveys, and so on. Now I can analyze. I can view the subscribers report, the post report, the clicks reports. These are like some statistics I can view. And I can learn here too about like all the features. In the blog update, I can view tutorials. I can view the newsletters experience point and the 101, which I can learn the basics. Now in the wallet, I'll have all my financial like information available, the funds and the earnings and stuff like that. And here, of course, I have these settings. I can view my sites, I can view help and chat with Buzz, and I can also sign out of my account. Now, this was like a quick overview tutorial of the Beehiiv newsletter creation platform and its different features for you.